All right, Excel Associate, Lesson 2, Manage Data Cells and Ranges. And this is the first interactive exercise. However, I am going to call it 2.11, Learn to Use AutoFill. Remember, these load in a separate window. And it says, we will use AutoFill to help you enter text without having to type it in manually. So we're going to start out with D2, and we're going to type JL, Sasha, Wiley, and press enter. And then I'm going to type B and press enter. Notice how Excel recognized the format you used for the text in the first cell and filled the rest of the column in accordingly. So I had been taking first name, middle name, last name, and then I started typing in B, and so it fills in Ben Carter, blah, 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 and down. In cell E2, type JL, press enter. Here I want to type B, and it fills in Ben, and all the way down. F2, can't use the arrow keys in here. We're typing in Sasha, press enter. Here I'm going to type a capital C for Carter, and press enter. And it fills in middle names. Here I'm typing Wiley, if I can spell it right. Press enter. Here I'm typing in the letter H, and enter, and it fills it all in. So that was just this number 1 up here. Number 2, autofill numeric data. If we select F2, oh, it says we will select. So they selected F2 through F15. They need me to press delete. If you're a Mac user, they're a little bit different. Then F2, we're going to type capital S and press enter. Notice how even though you used an abbreviation, Excel still fills the remaining cells in to match. Maybe it's lowercase s? No, capital S. Nope, not working. I'm in F2, and I type capital S and press enter. Maybe it's S period. Oh, didn't realize period was bolded. Then we want F3 and type C and press enter, and it autofills. Now they're selecting D2 through D15 and want me to press delete. I'm going into D2 and I'm going to type J period S period Wiley and press enter. Here I'm just going to type B, and it autofills for me. So number 3, autofill numeric data. Now try this feature with numbers. Select J2 and type 206 485 8314 and press enter. And then here I'm just going to start typing with the open parentheses and press enter, and it auto formats all of those phone numbers for me. So right away it asks me if I want to finish. Yes, I want to finish, and I can go back to my lessons. So that is the first interactive exercise. Like I said, I'm calling it 2.11, but it is interactive exercise 1.